Frank Lloyd Wright's Fallingwater is an architectural marvel. Perched atop a waterfall in rural Pennsylvania, it's a symphony of nature and design. Built in 1939, it embodies Wright's organic architecture principles. The house seems to grow organically from the landscape. Fallingwater is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It attracts visitors from around the globe. However, this iconic structure faced a challenge. The very element that made it famous, its cantilevered terraces, posed a threat. Over time, the weight of the concrete began to take its toll. The terraces were gradually sagging, putting the entire structure at risk. It was clear that intervention was needed to preserve Wright's masterpiece for future generations. The challenge was significant. How do you reinforce a structure as unique and delicate as Fallingwater without compromising its design? The solution required innovative engineering and a deep respect for Wright's original vision. The renovation project would become a testament to the enduring power of great architecture and the responsibility we have to preserve it. Fallingwater's design was audacious. Wright used reinforced concrete to create dramatic cantilevered terraces that extended over the waterfall. This technique minimized the visual impact of the house on the natural surroundings. It also created a sense of harmony between the built and natural environments. But the weight of the concrete, combined with the natural forces of the environment, began to cause the terraces to sag. The concrete was slowly deflecting downwards. This put stress on the supporting beams and threatened the structural integrity of the house. The situation demanded immediate attention. The Western Pennsylvania Conservancy, which owns and operates Fallingwater, assembled a team of engineers and architects. Their task was daunting: to develop a solution that would stabilize the structure. They also had to ensure that any intervention remained true to Wright's original design intent. This was not just a structural challenge, it was a matter of preserving an architectural icon. The chosen solution was both elegant and effective. Engineers decided to install a system of steel cables underneath the first floor of the house. These cables would act as tensioning members. They would counteract the downward force of the concrete terraces. The installation process was delicate and meticulous. Crews worked carefully to avoid disrupting the existing structure. They threaded the steel cables through the existing concrete beams. Hydraulic jacks were used to slowly and carefully tension the cables. This process lifted the terraces back into their original position. The project was not without its challenges. The team had to work within the confines of the existing structure. They had to find creative solutions to access difficult-to-reach areas. Throughout the process, they remained committed to preserving the architectural integrity of Fallingwater. Every decision was made with the utmost care and respect for Wright's legacy.